Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken wings on my Weber Kettle. So let's get queuing. I'm going to cook these wings indirectly, meaning I'm putting the charcoal on one side of the grill and I'll put the chicken on this side. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my charcoal lit here. This is Royal Oak lump charcoal, and this is a paper towel that I soaked in cooking oil, vegetable oil, like that. Works pretty good. And this is a slow and sear accessory to hold the charcoal. If you don't have that, just pile your charcoal on the back side of the grill there, or you can do it direct if you want to, and if you want to spread it, you know, all around the bottom of the grill, you can do it that way too, but you may have to turn the chicken a little bit more. So this way is pretty easy. I just, you know, spread the chicken out on this side, and I really don't even have to keep an eye on it or turn it that much, really. And then if you want to get a little more color on it at the end, you can always put it directly over the charcoal if you want to do that. So while this is getting going here, I'll start piling a little bit of charcoal around the edges of it here. And we'll let that get going for a few minutes. I have a tray of chicken wings here. This is 3.41 pounds. These were $2.79 per pound, so $9.51 for this tray of chicken wings here. While the charcoal's getting lit, I'll just go ahead and season these up. Okay, I'm going to use this hot rub by the J. Christopher Company. The ingredients of this are sumac, turbinado sugar, paprika, onion, cayenne pepper, garlic, crushed red pepper, kosher sea salt, mustard, and spices. So I'm not going to bother rinsing these off. I'm just going to season them up just right here. Like, these are whole wings, so I'm just going to leave them whole. Be easier that way, not as many pieces to have to move around and turn. Cooking indirectly, usually you don't have to really move it around that much. I always leave the vents wide open on the grill when I'm cooking chicken, because I like the grill to get as hot as possible, because the skin gets crispier. So that is what I'm going to do here. So let's finish getting these all seasoned up, and when the charcoal is ready, I'll get the lid on there. That amount of chicken fit perfectly on there. This rub is fairly light on the salt, so I'm also going to just hit it with a little bit of kosher salt. Okay, now as soon as the coals get a little bit hotter, I have a fireplace bellow here. This will kind of help speed things along a little bit. Looks like my fire's burning pretty clean. You don't see any white smoke there, so it's nice and hot. Also, I didn't put any water in the water reservoir. Slow and Sear has a water reservoir, but I don't use water for chicken, just for like ribs and pulled pork, the slower cooks. So anyway, now we just get the lid on there, and I'm leaving the vents top and bottom wide open. These have been cooking for about 35 minutes, and it looks like the temperature of the grill is about 440 degrees Fahrenheit right now. So let's take a peek real quick here. Looks like they're cooking pretty evenly, so I'm just going to put the lid back on and let them keep cooking, and maybe I'll add a little sauce to them in a little bit. It's been 55 minutes and I just pulled the lid off. These look good to me, so I'm going to sauce them up with some of this Kinder's mild barbecue sauce. I use this quite a bit. I live in Northern California, and they're a Northern California company, so I use their sauce quite a bit, and sometimes their rubs as well. So I'm just going to get these all sauced up all the way around, and then just get the lid back on there for, I don't know, maybe 5 more minutes or so, just to let that sauce kind of caramelize a little bit. I didn't have to move these at all. They cook nice and evenly, just like that. It's been about 5 minutes since I sauced these, so let's take a look here. Wow, those look beautiful. I'm going to get those babies off of there. So total cooking time was about an hour and 5 minutes. But the grill ran really hot. It was running 450 degrees Fahrenheit most of the time. These look pretty darn good. Let's grab one and try it out. Try this drumette here. It's good. That rub's kind of spicy, a little hot, and then the sauce is nice and sweet. Turned out good. Lucy showed up. Lucy's my daughter's dog. She lives next door. Want to try it, Lucy? Where's Annie anyway? Can you find it? Lucy's eyes are getting kind of bad. She's having trouble seeing. Poor pup. Here you go, Luce. Right there. Where'd Annie go? I'm surprised she's not showing up. Here's Annie. I haven't cooked in the backyard in a long time. I guess she was confused. You want to try it too, Annie? There you go, Luce. Well, that was fun. My first cook on the 22-inch kettle this year. It's always fun. Nice, reliable grill. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to munch on some wings.